A helmet camera captures the moment Dutch Marines storm a hijacked ship off Somalia. The team leader provides commentary on the mission. He explains that the alleged pirates are on the ship's bridge, and as the Marines move closer, they discover rocket-propelled grenades on board. But the operation ends with the suspect's surrender and arrest. It's the opening phase of a new approach to tackling piracy in the courts as well as at sea. The Dutch military transferred the alleged pirates back to Amsterdam to appear in court. One suspect is just 12 or 13 years old, with a family in Somalia, and may have little connection to the other suspects. Robert Malovic is the boy's defence attorney.
He's just a boy working in a local garage, and his specialty is fixing outboard engines from boats. And a couple of guys had problems with their outboard engine and their boat, and they asked him to help them out and pay him good money. And he said yes, of course, he's a poor guy. So this kid walked up with the guys in the boat, and the guys, he fixed the engine. And the guy said, okay, you have to stay on board if we have problems later on. And before he knew it, he was on the big vessel.
The hijacked ship was German flagged, and so the suspects have been extradited there to face charges. 5 other alleged Somali pirates are on trial in Rotterdam in a separate case. They're accused of attacking a Dutch ship. Both trials represent efforts to solve the long-standing problem of what to do with pirate suspects after they're captured at sea. At the Klingendael Institute for International Relations in the Netherlands, VOA spoke to Bibi van Hinkel, an expert in international law focusing on piracy. She explains that up till now, most alleged pirates are simply disarmed and then released.
They take them on board, they disarm them, they take their ladders, they give them some extra fuel, put them back in the boat, point them into the right direction, tell them off, like don't do that anymore maybe, scare them off a little bit, and but actually they're not arrested.
Even if those suspected of piracy are arrested, countries often refuse to take them in because of the expense and legal complications.
Then there's also the problem of evidence. It's rather difficult to distinguish a pirate from a fisherman.
Governments are reluctant to put alleged pirates on trial because of the unclear legal process, complicated by time and money concerns. War-torn Somalia lacks the stability and legal framework to carry out prosecutions. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, Amsterdam.